The SRM-225 is ECHO's best-selling straight-shaft trimmer. The SRM-225 features a 21.2 cc professional-grade two-stroke engine that is certified to the EPA's highest rating for reliable performance and durability and fuel efficiency. In fact, no other straight-shaft trimmer is more fuel efficient. Starting the SRM-225 is easy with ECHO's i30 starting system technology that allows you to start the trimmer with 30% less effort. The 1.4 to 1 gear reduction ratio on the SRM-225 provides tremendous cutting torque and high trimmer head speed. The commercial-grade aluminum clutch housing is designed to withstand the wear and tear from day-in, day-out use. The SRM-225's integrated vibration reduction engine mount offers greater user comfort by decreasing the engine vibration transferred to the handle grips. The speed-feed cutting head reloads in seconds without disassembly. If you're looking for a trimmer that's even easier to start, consider the ECHO SRM-225i trimmer.